She's just a little bit better than Mrs. Sam's cabin. I know, I had to. You'll get over it eventually. Your game master, Slightly Handsome
We are actually finding that's like that might be not we could have a seat to sit on. Well, I'm just looking at it. And he
said, Zacchaeus, you come down.
all the people don't die.
And why is Wild Wesley down here?
Daddy, this is way too heavy. This is so windy. I can't get anymore.
God who comes down to the earth. And instead of looking at broken humanity and saying, you guys aren't worth the effort, he said, you know what? You're worth it to the point where I'll die for you. That's why I sing. That's why I have joy, because Jesus died for me. Because death has no power over Jesus. Sin has no power over Jesus. Wicked people have no power over Jesus. God wins. Jesus lives. And you and I have hope.
We're suffering the momentary light affliction of today to produce for us an eternal weight of glory far beyond all comparison. And when I'm convinced that nothing on this earth compares to the future glory that I'm headed towards, that's a beautiful truth. The world can be hard, but that's better.